Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2048 code? This code indicates a low voltage signal in the reductant injector circuit on bank 1 unit 1. If not fixed, the DEF injector may not spray correctly, leading to higher emissions and SCR system faults. P2048 stands for Reductant Injector Circuit Low. Bank 1 unit 1. In simple terms, the ECU is receiving a lower than expected signal from the DEF injector circuit, usually due to wiring resistance, poor connections, or injector failure. Common symptoms include check engine light on, DEF warning light, emission system malfunction, reduced fuel efficiency, and possible limp mode. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The reductant injector is installed on the exhaust pipe before the SCR catalyst underneath the vehicle. The DEF tank and pump module are located near the rear underside of the vehicle. The SCR catalyst is positioned along the exhaust system after the DEF injection point. The wiring harness for the injector runs under the vehicle and is exposed to heat and road debris. For quick diagnosis, scan live data and check reductant injector command and voltage readings. Then inspect the wiring harness for damage, corrosion, or loose connectors. Check for high resistance or poor ground in the circuit. Also inspect the DEF injector for clogging or internal electrical faults. If the injector circuit voltage remains low, the injector or wiring may need replacement. Finally, repair damaged wiring, replace the faulty reductant injector if necessary, clear the code, and perform a road test. Fixing P2048 will ensure proper DEF dosing, lower emissions, and stable SCR system performance.